Alright, so I have 1988 Polaris Trail Boss here. The problem that it has is when it's running, the clutch inside here is rubbing on the cover. So this is a new outer cover, but the inner cover is old, and I had this pulled off before. I could tell it was warped, so I got a new one that I'm gonna try to replace it and see if that fixes the problem. So it wasn't having the issue until I replaced, there's a motor mount up on the front and it was broken. So the motor was jiggling around quite a bit. I have a separate little video on that where I welded that back together. But anyways, after I got it put back together, then this started rubbing. So I'm not exactly sure why, but I think if I replace that rear cover, it should you know, straighten out. Like I said, that rear cover's all warped and deformed, so I think that's what's causing it to rub. But there's 4 or 5 screws that hold on the cover, just long screws there. I'm gonna try not to take any of the plastic off. I think I can undo these bolts here and maybe take this these bolts on the front and the back and pull this off and slide the cover out. I've taken it off before, so that's what I'm gonna try to do, not take any of the plastic off, just because it's a little harder to get all the bolts off and stuff. So alright, so got the cover pulled off. Like I say, I took off that footrest and just kind of moved this out of the way. So back here on this the rear, you just pull that bolt off and that'll pop right out. This front clutch here, you take the bolt out, and then I think it's a 3/4 inch thread bolt that you need to screw in. And I have there's a little tip video that I did. I use an actual hitch, like a towing hitch, just the hitch portion. I'll pop that video up there, but to screw in for the threads, I only use it for the threads because I don't have a 3/4 inch. I believe it's 3/4 inch. I don't have a 3/4 inch bolt or anything, but I use the hitch to actually pull this. I use the thread portion of it to pull this clutch off. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, pull this off, and as you can see, the back cover. So the seal is coming out, but as you can tell right here, there's quite a bit of it's deformed quite a bit. When I get it out, I'll give you guys a shot of that, how much it's deformed. And here's the new one. So these aren't cheap. A little over $100 for this back cover. So hopefully it fixes it. All right, so we made it down to the back clutch cover. There's 3 or 4 bolts, 11 millimeter, I think, to take out, and then as soon as it pulls off. So again, this one is pretty, I don't know if that shows up well, it's pretty warped. You can kind of see that way. So I think that's what was causing, you know, where the outer cover here bolts onto the inner cover. Just some areas of it were pretty warped. So here's my inner cover. Using it to hold all my bolts, but where it was rubbing, there was a couple spots. I put some tape in here just to verify where it was rubbing. If it starts rubbing again, just to make sure I know where it's rubbing. That way I know which way. The cover has to be adjusted. I don't know if I'll have to adjust it or if it need to be, or if it should just line up perfect. But I put a few pieces of tape where the rub marks were. That way I would know where it was rubbing. Like I say, this is newer. I think there was a hole burned in the old one. There was a hole burned in. You know, probably partially due to this being warped and that back one being warped. So I did not get. I just noticed this this new inner seal is not on the new cover. So it's kind of torn up. I'll probably use it anyways, and you know, if I get real ambitious, I might try to locate another one and swap it out at some point. But I just want to get it put back on there as is now. So and here's the new one, and pretty straight. So I'm hoping that's what it is. So I'll load this back on and then get back on and see if it works. Alright, so I got the new rear cover put on. This bolt in particular was kind of a pain to get in. There's 3 of them there. There's 1, 2, and 3. So that the 2 lined up pretty well, but that one for some reason I kind of had to stretch it out a little bit to get it to fit correctly. So I think I have it pushed up on here well, and so I'm gonna put everything back together. Putting it back together is just kind of the opposite of taking it apart, and then I guess the next video I'll start it up and see if we're still rubbing on the outer clutch cover there. Alright, so I got the cover all put back on. I actually it came with some different screws than the original ones. These are more like actual screws rather than threaded bolts. But anyways, got it all put back on. Fired it up. I'll fire it up again. So before it was making an awful, just a kind of like a thud noise every time it was hitting that clutch cover. So I'll start it up real quick. The noise is gone, so that seemed to fix it. Again, I guess it was just too warped. The inner clutch cover was very warped and kind of shifting this outer clutch cover to where it was making it rub. So seems like it's working now. Thanks for watching. See ya.